Look at you. Look at you, Porter. I'm making a video about Porter. Careful, Porter, don't pull. Because he's walking. Gentle. Whoa. Porter, what happened? We've got the remote, and that's all that matters. You can sit in your chair, sweetie. I'll show you when I'm done. Porter. Let's see if he walks back the other way. Whoops. Or maybe he'll take out all the DVDs. What are you finding? Uh-oh, Porter's making a mess. Whoops, We're very, very busy. Oh wait, I'm recording. See? Whatever you see in here, we're making a tape, and then we can watch it later. Let's see what Porter does. He's very busy. Should we send this to Gran?
Yeah. And Grandma too.
And Grandma too? And Pop and G-Bob?
Yeah, Pop and G-Bob.
Okay. That's a good idea, because they like to see what he's doing. They like to see what you're doing too. Whoa, no hands, P-Man. Oh, we have to hold it very still, sweet. We see you. Uh-oh, he's headed to Lucy. What's he gonna do?
What's that?
Oh, he found a train. Hey, where you going, Porter? Hey, where you going?
Oh.
Is he running away? We see you. I see you. Oh, we found a shoe. What is that laugh? Whoa, hi. Sure, man. Go, go, go. Look, he's walking. Take a step, Porter, take a step. Don't eat the shoelace. Say, Porter, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Porter, yucky. No. Come here. Can you come to me? Can you come to me? Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Go, go, go. Almost. I think we're going to jump before we walk. Almost. Can you come here? Up we go. Oh, come here. Oh. Oh, there's Miss B. Everybody's wearing their underpants. Hi, little happy man. Hi, happy man. Please don't bite me. Don't bite me. Where are you? Are you going to take a step? Are you going to take a step? There we go. 1, 2. Oh! Miss B, what do you have to say? Lucy? Giving Lucy a kiss? That's very nice. Hi, Porter. Hi. Porter's climbing me right now. Hi.